get all this. Okay, you got it. Oh hey, this is Anu, and this is my, obviously you guys know this is my Viper truck, but anyways, I like to dedicate this video to Noid, Mike Noid. If some of you don't know him, he's one of the members on the site, and he helped me do my Magnaflow Exhaust, and I really appreciate it. So we're going to show you the sound, I guess. Most of you already know, but it might interest some of you guys, but I like the sound. The Magnaflow is really the best. Let's go, do it. Alright, well that's it. Now we're going to go for a cruise with my cousin Nira. She's recording. I'll let, yeah, this cousin. So now you guys heard the sound clip. We're just going to go for a cruise, and this is actually Berserkly. It's called Berserkly because everybody's fucked up, basically, in Berkeley. So anyways, we'll go for a cruise in the Viper, and hopefully next month I'll show you my twin turbo BMW, and along we go. Alright. Alright, people. Tell me when you're starting. You're starting. Right now? Alright, so here we go. Here we go, cruising in Berserkly. It's hard to get an opening here because of the congestion at the streets, but anyways, this whole thing is dedicated to Noid especially, and the Viper Truck Club guys of America who all made this happen. And that's Jack and Patrick and a few other guys I like. I don't want to mention their names, but it's a good stuff. I like this truck, and you know, we're all unique, we're all brothers, and like I said, I apologize for all the shit I've gone that you guys through and all the stupid ass questions, but I'm here. So